Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I show you how to edit your photo by AI. Very beautiful, very nice. So this is app we use to edit, and how to find it. Come to Play Store and search for MindSync. This app you can download and install on your phone, and I have downloaded. So you're going to open here, click on okay. Now these templates are ready for your use, and you can choose one of them and you can use that. So I use this, for example. Click on choose this style, and you can choose any picture you want. So I click on it and click on next. Set your size for the platform you post it, and I choose this size and click on generate. Now edit the photo and wait until the end of the editing. So it is the result of your edit, and you can add the video on your editing. And here, for example, hit very beautiful and or it or this
Look at me.
or this. So now click on download and get saving your phone, and then you can use it for TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and so on. If this video useful for you and you like this video, please subscribe the channel and like the video, share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.